I'm about to show you the manliest way to cook asparagus. But first, I need to put on my apron. Welcome to Deliciously Awkward. I'm AJ, and today is all about asparagus. It's one of my favorite vegetables, but chances are you're cooking it wrong. All too often, people just steam it, which makes it soft and floppy and bland and boring, or they'll cut it diagonally into cute little pieces and toss it around with pasta and other vegetables where it gets completely overshadowed. And let's be honest, those two dishes are a little dainty, a little feminine for a guy like me. And, take it from me, I am the epitome of manliness. Or at least I try to convince myself of that. But either way, when it comes to asparagus, grilling is the way to go. And I'm going to show you how to do it just right. So grilled asparagus, let's go make it awkward. So I have my asparagus washed and dried. Now we're just gonna cut off the bottom tips. They just get a little tough and chewy. All right, so now those are cut, I'm gonna put them in a shallow pan. And we're gonna drizzle it with some olive oil and then sprinkle with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And one of the more interesting things about asparagus and, the awkward elephant in the room whenever anyone eats asparagus or talks about asparagus is the way it makes your pee smell. I mean, what other vegetable can say that they change the way human urine smells? And I'm just eyeballing this. You kind of can't go wrong. And then, so I thought of this morning. Usually I just do this in a big bowl and just mix them all around. But today, this morning I was thinking about it like, okay, it's probably better to do it in a shallow pan because then just do that to mix it, get it all over. Instead of mixing it in a bowl where, the good thing about this, when we put them on the grill, it'll now be easier to get them and keep them, in a straight line, minimize any of them falling through the grates. Because usually I just put it in a bowl and just dump the whole bowl in, and inevitably you lose like 5 to 7, if not more. Okay, so these are perfectly coated with the oil and seasoning. So I'm gonna turn on the grill, let it preheat, and I'll see you outside. So I put the asparagus on a grill heated to about 400 degrees. The whole thing will take about 15 minutes, and every 5 minutes or so you want to open the lid, move them around, and just make sure they don't overcook. Once they look nice and wilted and charred in some places, they're ready to be taken off. So here is my plate of grilled asparagus. And I'm proud to say that was the first time I grilled it where I did not lose a single one through the grates. But yeah, doesn't that just look so much more interesting than that plate of steamed asparagus? Like you see the tips and the leaves on the stems, they all get a little charred, so tons of flavor, and the inside is still gonna be like very moist and juicy. So let me try one for you. Just like I said, a little crispy. Just like I said, a little crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside, so much flavor from the seasoning. So if you like asparagus, I encourage you to try grilling it. It will change your life. You will never want to have asparagus any other way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, give me a like, really appreciate it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. And remember to embrace the awkward, and I'll see you next time.